AIs can learn from the very best.
AI changes over time.
AI system.
AI.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
It's basically everywhere, isn't it? Did you know that 77% of people now use AI tools daily? From chatbots to writing applications like ChatGPT. While it's great for convenience, over-relying on AI for your SOP is a recipe for disaster.
That is disgusting.
Why? Let me break it down. For top universities abroad, whether it be US, UK, Canada, or Germany, your SOP can amount to almost 30% of your application evaluation. It is your personal pitch. Can you afford to take risk here? Well, I think you know the answer better. Meanwhile, let me break the issue with AI-generated SOPs. First, AI tools tend to overuse passive voice by 20 to 30%, thereby creating dull, overly structured essays that fail to connect. If your SOP sounds too robotic, it creates a negative impression and shows that you haven't put in the hard work. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying, "I worked on a project to maximize battery efficiency," what you can say to make it sound a lot better is, "I led a project where we developed a lithium-ion battery that increased energy retention by 20%, sparking my interest in sustainable technologies." Numbers make your story real and impactful. Second, many students like you over-rely on AI for everything, thinking it's a shortcut. But universities can see through that, my friend. Being over-smart here can really backfire. Last but not the least, AI often distorts language. Especially if you're applying to the US, universities expect your SOP to be straightforward and personal. Trust me, admission officers go through hundreds of SOPs every day, and they can spot a generic AI-written SOP from miles away. Here's a pro tip. The word limit that most universities look for is approximately 500 to 1,000 words, and ignoring these limits can cost you your spot. How? More than 50% of admission officers flag SOPs that fail to meet the guidelines. So what should your SOP look like? Let me break it down with the help of 5 questions. Start by introducing yourself. Share your name, your academic background, and the name of the university that you're currently studying at or have graduated from. Be specific and write the program name exactly as it appears on your university's website. For example, instead of saying, "I want to pursue my MS in CS," say, "I want to pursue my Master of Science degree in Computer Science." This shows that you're paying attention to the details, and trust me, that matters. This is where you show off your project, certifications, or research related to your course. But be smart. If you're applying for business administration, don't waste your time talking about what you did in your microbiology research. Stick to your achievements that match the course and explain what you did, what you learned, and why it matters. If you want help portraying your achievements in the best way possible, our experts are always there for you. The link to an absolutely free call with our experts is in the description box below. This is a big one. Why are you applying for this course? Now, don't just say, "I want a job in the US." This will create a negative impression. Instead, focus on something that shows your passion for the field. Are you creating something new? Solving a problem? Be honest and passionate. This is what will make all of the difference. Here's your chance to show that you have done your homework. Mention why this university is absolutely perfect for you. Highlight specific professors or programs that perfectly align with your goals. This makes your SOP feel personal and shows that you're serious about your university choice. Your SOP shouldn't feel like a list of answers. It should flow like a story about your journey, your goals, and your future. Make it interesting and unique to you. So, what's the takeaway? AI is great for grammatical checks, but don't let it write your whole story. Your SOP is your voice. That's it for today. If you've got any other doubts with your application, comment down below, and we will make sure to answer them for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on all things study abroad.